girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Ed Sheeran, Spark. This is one of my favorite songs from his latest. So let's dive into this Spark. We have the capo set on the 3rd fret, a couple chords with that, but very easy to play the song. So let's start with the chords. A minor first, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F, bar chord, so place a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the C G chord, so that is a C but with a G in the bass, so that is 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We also have a standard C, so what you do there, you just take away this 3rd from the E string. Everything else is the same. That gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the standard C. We also have the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then finally we have actually 2 more chords. Sorry. We have the D also. So we have open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And now finally we have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so I almost forgot about beautiful D there, but anyway, let's look at this song. We have this special rhythm here. It's played in the same way in the verse as in the chorus play, so nothing changes there. So let's take a look at the verse/chorus. You have the chord progression A minor to G to F and to C G. That's what's going on. But you're gonna play straight downs, and you're gonna play A minor 3 downs, then G 5 downs, then F 3 downs, and the C G 5 downs. So with this 3-5-3-5, that gives us a certain rhythm here. So A minor 3, G5, F3, CG5 with straight downs, it sounds like this. That's a little bit slower than the standard tempo, but anyway. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A minor, G, F, C, G. Alright, so that is the verse play. I'm gonna play that for 4 rounds, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. And I just want to mention both verses and both choruses are played in the same way. All right, so it doesn't matter which turn it is, if it's the 1st or 2nd verse, played in the same way. So that takes us to the pre-chorus. Now we're gonna follow the same rhythm but with different chords. We have the D minor for 3 downs, then the straight C for 5 downs, and then you have the G for 8 downs. And these rhythm here, 3 and 5, that makes up for 8. So you're still gonna continue with the same rhythm. So G 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the same chord, the G. That is 8 in total. So D minor 3, C 5, and G 8. That short chord progression you play for 2 rounds like this. That is 1 round. And on the G here, I play the first 3. And then when I start the next 5, I want to kind of emphasize that the rhythm is there. So I hit it a little bit extra there on the first out of this 5. That means on the 4th down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 rounds goes like this. That takes us to the chorus. And like I mentioned before, the chorus we already learned both there are played in both same way as both verses, so nothing changes there. But we have a bridge part. All right, so 2 minutes, about 32 seconds into the song comes bridge. And here is where you need to find the new chords E minor and D. So you're gonna play just straight down, so forget about the rhythm here, you don't have to play that. So just straight downs, and you're gonna play E minor 8 downs, G 8 downs, C 8 downs, then back to G 4 downs, and the standard D 4 downs. So E minor 8, G 8, C 8, G 4, D 4. That chunk you play for 2 chord progression rounds. So one round goes like this. Play for 2 rounds, and then you will come back and play a chorus and slash and outro parts, and you play that in the same way as you play the choruses or the verses, since they're played in the same way, and you play that till the very end. So pretty straightforward song here from Ed Sheeran, Spark. You have this rhythm going on, but it's just straight downs and pretty easy chords as well when you have a capo on third. And if you don't have a capo, invest in one. I can really recommend that. Saves you that much time, it's much easier, and you are a little bit flexible with that as well to everything pretty much when it comes to guitar playing. So this is golden. All right, so thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, if it was helpful, please let me know, thumb up, subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate all your help and support, guys. Thank you so much so far. Until next time, play tuned.